So a last minute ride landed me at Applegate Lake. I've been in this area for about 30 plus years and can now check this one off. I haven't flown my drone in a while, so it was great getting back to posting my videos as well. It was a perfect time with the low sun highlighting the mountains and the shadows going into the valleys. I invite you to kick back and enjoy the clip. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video as much as what I did in filming it. I wish you all well until next time.